If the camera isn't working in Roblox, it's usually permission or device issue. Hi, welcome to Glitech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to get face camera in Roblox not working. Here are a few steps you have to take. The first is to check if your device supports it. Roblox face tracking only works on newer Android or iPhone device with your front camera plus good sensor. If your camera or phone is old, the feature may not work. The second is to allow camera permission. To do that, all you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, I just scroll and search for app management. Click on my app list. So from my app list, I'm going to search for Roblox. So right here, I'll just click on the permission here and make sure I allow your camera permission. So if it's not allowed this way, you will not be able to see camera or have access to your camera on your Roblox. The next is to turn on face tracking in Roblox. To do that, you just have to go to your Roblox app. So right here on your Roblox app, the next thing you have to do is to click on the more option here. Scroll gently, click on the settings option. So from here, the next thing is to click on the privacy. So from here, all you have to do is to click on the communication option here. You're going to see the option that says camera inputs. Click on it. If yours says face tracking is same thing or camera animation, just click on it and turn on the toggle close to it. So mine has been turned on. The next step you can take if this still did not work for you is to go to your Google Play Store. So right here on my Google Play Store or App Store, depending on your device, click on the search icon here, type in Roblox. So from here, all you have to do is to click on the update option here in order to update your Roblox to the latest version. The next step you can take, having done all this, is to click on the restart option here. By clicking on your power button, click on the restart option, restart your phone. Face tracking may not work well on poor network, so I advise you to always check your internet connection and be sure that it is being turned on and you have a good location where network can be accessed. So guys, that is it on how to get face camera in Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do also follow Glitech Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.